Are you thinking about buying a new iPad right now? If you are, you need to stop and seriously reconsider your timing. Put your wallet away immediately and hold off just a little longer, because something much bigger is unfolding behind the scenes. There is a quiet shift happening, one that hasn't been loudly announced or showcased on a flashy stage yet, but it is very real. If you rush into buying an iPad today, there is a strong chance you will regret that decision in the near future. It will feel like you spent your money on something that was already on its way out, replaced by a smarter, faster, and far more capable device. The silence from Apple recently is not accidental. It is not a sign of inactivity or lack of innovation. Instead, it is a calculated pause, and in the world of technology, silence often signals that something major is about to happen. For months, the tech world has been unusually quiet when it comes to iPads. There have been no headline-grabbing launch events, no dramatic reveals, and no steady stream of updates like we have seen in previous years. This has left many people wondering what is going on, especially when it comes to the standard iPad, which has always been Apple's most accessible and widely used tablet. The question on everyone's mind is simple: where is the next generation base iPad? People have been waiting patiently, and the delay has started to feel intentional. This is not just any product in Apple's lineup. It is the entry point for millions of users, from students to casual users, and even professionals who want a reliable secondary device. So when an update takes this long, it raises eyebrows. The reason behind this delay is not laziness or a lack of direction. It is actually the opposite. Apple is making a deliberate and strategic move. Instead of releasing a routine upgrade with minor improvements, they are preparing a much larger leap forward. This is not just about updating a device. It is about redefining what the base iPad represents. Apple is aligning this next version with a broader vision, one that revolves around artificial intelligence and smarter computing. They are holding back because they want the next iPad to fully embrace this new era, rather than launching something that would feel outdated almost immediately. Right now, the current base iPads, such as the 10th and 11th generation models, are still decent for everyday use. They can handle web browsing, video streaming, note-taking, and light productivity without much trouble. For many users, that is more than enough. However, these devices are powered by older chips like the A14 or A16, which are starting to show their age. While they are still functional, they are not built for what is coming next. Buying into that older technology today means you are investing in something that is already behind the curve, especially as software becomes more demanding and AI-driven features become more common. The upcoming 12th generation iPad, expected around March 2026, is shaping up to be a completely different story. This is not going to be a simple refresh or a minor improvement. Instead, it is expected to bring a significant jump in performance by introducing a much more advanced chip, likely the A18. This leap is larger than what most people anticipated, and it signals a clear shift in priorities. The focus is no longer just on basic performance, but on enabling a new class of features that rely heavily on processing power and efficiency. This includes advanced AI capabilities that will redefine how users interact with their devices. Even if you think you only use your iPad for simple tasks like watching videos or scrolling through social media, this upgrade still matters. The new chip is not just about speed, it is about capability. It allows the device to handle smarter tasks, run more complex applications, and remain relevant for a much longer period. Alongside this, there are strong indications that the new base iPad will come with increased memory, potentially 8 GB of RAM. This is a major improvement compared to previous entry-level models and plays a crucial role in supporting AI features and multitasking. It means the device will not only be faster, but also more future-proof. Interestingly, while the internal components are getting a major overhaul, the external design is expected to remain largely the same. This might disappoint those who are hopping for a visual refresh, but it highlights where Apple is choosing to invest its resources. The focus is clearly on performance and intelligence rather than aesthetics. The familiar aluminum body, color options, and overall design language will likely stay intact. For many users, this is not necessarily a downside. A tablet's primary purpose is functionality, and if it performs exceptionally well, the design becomes less critical. There will still be some limitations, of course. The base iPad will likely continue to feature a standard USB-C port with relatively modest data transfer speeds, and it will not support the most advanced accessories like the high-end Apple Pencil variants. The display is also expected to remain a 60Hz panel without premium technologies like OLED or higher refresh rates. These compromises are intentional, as they help keep the price accessible while maintaining a clear distinction between the base model and the more expensive Pro versions. What makes this upcoming iPad truly compelling is the value it offers. For a relatively affordable price, users will gain access to a device that is significantly more powerful and capable than its predecessors. It will be able to handle tasks that were previously reserved for higher-end devices, from content creation to AI-driven applications. This positions it as an ideal choice for students, casual users, and even professionals who want a dependable and versatile tablet without spending a fortune. Ultimately, this delay and subsequent upgrade are part of a larger strategy. Apple is not just updating a single product, they are reshaping their entire lineup to align with a new technological direction. The base iPad is becoming the foundation of this strategy, serving as the entry point into a smarter, more connected ecosystem. By making it more powerful and capable, Apple ensures that even their most affordable device delivers a high-quality experience that encourages users to stay within their ecosystem. So if you are considering buying an iPad right now, the smartest move is to wait. The current models are nearing the end of their life cycle, and what is coming next represents a significant step forward. The difference is not just in numbers or specifications. It is in what the device can actually do for you. Waiting a little longer could mean getting a tablet that feels modern, powerful, and ready for the future, rather than one that is already on its way out. March 2026 is shaping up to be an important moment, and patience in this case will almost certainly pay off.